Hello and welcome to SGN Tech Forum. As you know, in this platform, we try to stay relevant and always diversify and stay up to date with the current and bleeding edge technologies. One of that is artificial intelligence or AI. There are tons of free SaaS-based platform where you can actually go ahead and explore uh, different LLM models. Like Hugging Face can give you an option to try your own model, but that's very restrictive, even though you have flexibility to choose your own model, but you don't know what's going under the hood, right? So it is always best to learn by doing things, and hence we are starting this series on AI where we are going to use NVIDIA Jetson Nano module or developer kit. So let's see what we have in agenda today. With this first video, we are going to understand what is Jetson Nano, or I'm going to introduce you to Jetson Nano. Then we'll get started, like what is in box, what are the different peripheral component, etc. Then we'll do the unboxing so that you can see and feel the developer kit. Then we will go ahead and boot this module, and I'm going to show you the recording of the module first boot up so that you know what it takes to bring it to the life. All right. So before we do that, let's go and understand the data sheet. NVIDIA Jetson Nano 2 GB developer kit. As you can see, it says that you can run all kind of programs because there are tons of developers who are contributing every day to the library, developer library. And the best part is NVIDIA Jetpack is enabled by default, and you can use the CUDA software, the NVIDIA development software, which is CUDA, that you can use. And CUDA is very important for AI ecosystem. So that's what you can run on Jetson AI. That's the reason we are using this with for our learning. All right, the key features, as you can see, we have 128 core NVIDIA Maxwell GPU, and then we have quad core ARM processor. Then we have 2 GB of 64-bit DDR4 memory. Then some IOs, we have 4 USB port, and you will see when I will unbox the kit, you will see these things. We have 4 USB port, we have one USB micro B that you can use to power the module, but at the same time you can use a separate adapter to power up the module. Then we have 40-pin GPIO header because just like our Raspberry Pi, you would like to connect a lot of peripherals like your cameras or sensors so that these things can learn from external world. Like you want to train it on images, or you want to feed some data by sensing some inputs. All those things you can use using this GPIO headers and the CSI slot. Then we have the SIM module that you can use to boot up the device. So this is the specification. As I mentioned, we have GPU, NVIDIA Maxwell, and we have CPU, memory, storage. There is no inbuilt storage. We use our micro SD card and partition it for the boot, and the rest of the partition will be used for general purpose storage. Then video encoding, video decoding, and connectivity. Mind it, some module have a default wireless onboard chip, but the kit what I have procured here, they don't have any wireless chip, so we will be using external wireless adapter. Then we have inbuilt RJ45 or Ethernet connection. Let's look at a little bit more into GPU part of this and see what is NVIDIA website mentions. As you can see, for AI performance, your G flops are most important thing, right? So here we have 472 G flops, and it is running on 128 core NVIDIA Maxwell GPU. What does that mean? Here you can see Jetson Nano delivers 472 G flops for modern AI algorithm. It runs multiple neural network in parallel and processes high resolution sensor concurrently, making it ideal for applications from NVRs to intelligent gateway. So it has sufficient resources or power to run several neural network or AI models. This is a low demand kit. You can power it on using US micro USB-C, by connecting to your laptop or maybe external adapter. But in case you are connecting a lot of peripherals, then you should go ahead and upgrade it to a DC adapter, 5 to 10 volt adapter. So now with that, let's go ahead and unbox our Jetson Nano developer kit.